Hanapin natin to the other angles. Ito si BOC. Angle BOC. Okay, isusolve pa natin yan mamaya. Okay, hindi natin isolve si X dito. Sawa na ako kay X. So this is our topic, perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect to form right angles, the two lines are said to be perpendicular lines. Okay, based sa figure natin, line AB and line CD intersect at point O and form right angles. Therefore, these two lines are said to be perpendicular lines. Okay, si line AB is perpendicular, yun ang symbol ng perpendicular lines, ha? Is perpendicular to line CD. Okay, symbol ng line. Ayan, so line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Okay, and angle AOC and angle BOC, okay, and angle BOC are linear pair. So kung linear pair sila, therefore they are supplementary angles. This pair of angles is a supplementary angles. Okay? Are supplementary angles. Angles. Okay? The same thing with angle AOD and angle BOD. Linear pair pa rin yan, and they are supplementary angles. Okay? So, angle AOC, that is, angle AOC plus angle BOC, yan, that is equal to 180. So, they are supplementary angles. The same thing with angle AOD, angle AOD plus angle BOD. Yan, 180 pa rin yan. Okay? Okay, next, in the figure, ray OA, this one, ray OA, ray OB, ray OC, yan, and ray OD. Ayan, are coplanar. Ibig sabihin ng coplanar, not on the same line. Magkaiba sila ng direction. Okay, ngayon, the measure of angle AOB is 42. So, angle AOB, this angle, is 42 degree. Ray OC is perpendicular to ray OA. So, ray OC is perpendicular to ray OA. Okay? And, ray OB, si ray OB is perpendicular to ray OD. Ayan, perpendicular sila because of right angles. Okay, what are the measures of the other angles? Okay, so nakuha na yung given dito is angle AOB. Okay, si angle AOB, that is equal to 42 degree. Hanapin natin to the other angles. Ito si BOC. Angle BOC. Okay, isusolve pa natin yan mamaya. Okay, hindi natin isolve si X dito. Sawa na ako kay X. So, and angle BOC. Okay, hanapin din natin yan si, nako, wala lang ink. Sana may mag-sponsor. Angle BOC. Ayan, we will find that one. Dalawa lang ang hanapin natin. Si angle BOC and angle BOC. Okay, we will find first the angle BOC. Okay, angle BOC yung hanapin natin, ha. So, una, of course, isulat natin dito yung angle AOB plus AOB yan plus BOC. Angle BOC, that is equal to, since this is right angle, ang measure niyan is 90 degree. Okay. So, since angle AOB is 42, ayan, plus angle BOC, wala pa siya, di ba? Hahanapin pa natin yan. Okay. Huwag natin hanapin sa X, angle BOC lang. Equals 90. Okay, ngayon, mag-add tayo ng negative 42 sa left, or mag-subtract na lang tayo, ha? Mag-subtract tayo ng kopihan muna natin si angle BOC, tapos plus 42, nawala na po. Ako lang gibali na, as nilipat ko na sa 42 dito, or pwede rin, para di kayo malito, ayan, 42 dyan, ayan, mag-subtract tayo. Mag-subtract tayo ng 42 sa left side, dito rin sa right side, mag-subtract din tayo ng 42. Yung in-apply natin dito, yung subtraction property of equality. Uy, hindi na pala makuha. So, i-cancel natin yung 42 at saka si 42. So, ang naiwan, ito na ako sa taas. Wala talaga akong space. Angle BOC, wala na akong space. Equals 90 minus 42, that is 48. Okay, so this is your final answer. Therefore, kung angle AOB is 42, so angle BOC, so this is 48. So kung 42 yung angle AOB, yung angle BOC ay 48. So yung total ng dalawang angle ay 90 degree. Okay. Next, we have to solve for angle BOC. So i-solve naman natin yung angle BOC. Okay. So, kung titingnan natin yung figure, so kung 48 yung BOC, of course, yung angle DOC ay 42 rin. Okay, pero kailangan natin i-solve or show your solution, kumbaga. Okay? So, we will find the, yung given natin dito, angle BOC, kasi andyan na si BOC, plus angle COD or DOC. Pwede yan magkabaliktad, ha? Angle BOC, that is equal to 90. Okay, then ang BOC, ayan, that is 48, plus angle DOC na hahanapin natin equals 90. So, apply tayo ng subtraction property dito. So 48 plus angle DOC minus 48 equals 90 minus 48. Both sides, ha? Mag-subtract tayo dito sa left side ng 48. Mag-subtract rin tayo dito sa right side ng 48. Then, i-cancel natin yung 48 kasi 48 minus 48, that is 0. So, ang naiwan dito si angle DOC. So, that is equal to 90 minus 48, that is 42. Okay, so therefore, the measure of angle of DOC ay 42 degree. Okay, ang liit ng tuko. Yan. That's figure natin. In the figure, line AE, this one, line AE, is perpendicular to line FC. Okay? So, yung question number 1, find the measure of angle AOF. Angle AOF. So, since perpendicular lines ito, so this is right angle or form right angle. So, kung right angle, yung measure niya is 90. Okay? Number 2, find the measure of angle AOC. AOC. So, since right angle yung angle O, right angle din itong angle AOC. So, this is also 90. Find the measure of angle 1 and angle 2. So, angle 1 and angle 2. So, this is 90. Parang angle AOC rin yan. So, find the measure of angle 1. If the measure of angle 1 is 50, what is the measure of angle 2? So, if this is 50, so yung angle 2 natin is 40. Kasi 90 yun eh. Okay? So, angle 2 is 40. So, we will solve this one. Measure of angle AOD equals 100, equals 130. So, what is the measure of angle 4? So, angle AOD, this is 130. Itong angle na to. So, what is the measure of this angle? Yung angle 4. Ayan. So, if So measure of angle AOD plus measure of angle 4 equals, lahat-lahat niya total na yan ay 180 degree. Okay? So angle AOD is 130 plus measure of angle 4 equals 180. So mag-subtract tayo ng 30 dito sa left side o 130, okay? Dito rin sa right 130 ating subtract. 130. Okay. So measure of angle 4, cancel na yan, 130. So naiwan, measure of angle 4, that is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 50. Okay. So this is our final answer. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na at i-hit mo yung notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next video. Bye-bye!